Hello. Welcome back to another DIY project. Today we're going to be looking at these outdoor cushions and how I transformed them from the dead, honey. So with those words, let's jump right in. I looked at the shape of my cushion, went fabric shopping, and decided to just make templates or casings of my cushions. So first I cut out the circle, which is the sitting area. I cut that by 2. And then I cut the back resting area and I cut that shape by 2. I stuffed it and encased the cushions, and here we are. If you want to know how I made these cushions, please subscribe to my channel. I do sewing lessons as well. That way you can see exactly how I started the project and how I finished the project. And there you have it, guys. My outdoor space is an ongoing project, so I hope to see you soon as I share more DIYs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and have a good day.